Royal Rumble is one of them songs that I feel like could be redid, not redid, but like recreated or remixed. That's the word I'm looking for. Remixed with new people on it. Like this one got Yachty, Kid, Mike, Ray, Rio, DC2 Trill, and Bezo. Excuse me. I didn't sleep that much last night. I was too busy working on videos. But all these people on it, on this Royal Rumble, I feel like the next Royal Rumble, they could like do a Royal Rumble part 2 and put like a whole batch of new people, like YSR Grams, Grind Hard E, YNJ, V's, 42 Doug, just a whole new batch of people. Slap Savage. I feel like they should keep doing that. I feel like it should be like a Michigan tradition, damn near, like Yachty and then all straight Michigan people. Then do another version with Yachty and King Cashes and Solid Baby, and then motherfucking Lonnie Bands, and then BFB the Pac-Man. Like, I just feel like it should just keep going because Royal Rumble is one of them songs where everybody just rap all the way through. Ain't no hook, ain't no none of that. Niggas just spitting the best shit they can come up with in the studio. And Royal Rumble is one of them fights. It's not a orthodox fight. It's an unorthodox fight. It's where you throw a nigga over the top ropes. Like that's the goal in Royal Rumble. So for the goal at Royal Rumble is to throw a nigga over the top ropes. I feel like everybody in this song is trying to throw the next person over the top rope without dissing, but just more so throwing them over there like, nigga, my verse is gonna be better than yours. I'm gonna have harder bars than yours. I'm gonna have better metaphors and punchlines than yours. But that's just my opinion, man. Shout out to Lyrical Lemonade for posting this. Shout out to everybody in the D. Shout out to Yachty, everybody in Atlanta Zone 6. And of course, shout out to my fucking city, man. One of the most talented cities on earth. Know that.